Moderno Porcelain Works specializes exclusively in the fabrication and installation of porcelain surfaces. Moderno actually started in April of 2019 with 1 employee, then 2, then a crew, then 2 crews, and we're growing rapidly. We have about 40 employees working at Moderno right now.
Payroll, tax filings, getting health insurance, getting them onboarded, all of those factors take time, and time costs money. Having a PEO partner allows us to focus on hiring the employee, making sure we have the right person to grow our business without focusing as much on how we're going to take care of the employee's requirements.
What stood out from G&A were 2 things. One is the seamless technical integration of all the modules, and the second was their willingness to work with us, to understand our needs, to understand our business, and be flexible with solutions that we were going to need.
Usually the biggest cost we have is providing benefits for our employees, and they had a solution for us right away. G&A having a nationwide footprint was important as we grow Moderno into several states. Their corporate office is here in Houston, which is important to us, and we just hit it off with them right away.
When we engaged with G&A, we didn't miss a beat. We didn't miss payroll, we didn't miss a timesheet. It all happened seamlessly.
Not having to worry about those type of things really allows us to focus on our business, which is what we need.
When we created the company, we knew it was going to be a hyper-growth company. And so from the get-go, we needed to incorporate the systems that allowed for scalable growth. Now they're all set up. It makes us more efficient. It makes us better at what we do.